tutorial in which we will be building a blog application with Firebase as the backend. We will be making fun requests to the server and being able to create new blogs and download the blogs that are on file in the cloud. First, we have to start by creating a React app using Create React App. You can do that by going to the GitHub page if you Google Create React App and doing npx Create React App and then the React app name. So I'm going to create this in my desktop. As you can see my terminal over here, I'll type in npx Create React App, and I'm going to call it Firebase or React Firebase blog. And it should take a few minutes just to set everything up. There's a lot of files. That's why we're using it, because it's just an easy way to boilerplate start developing React applications. And I'll come back to you when it's done downloading. Alrighty, now that the Create React app is downloaded, let's first check if we have Node. Now, notice how we're going to develop our application on our computers, and it allows React to put the application onto the localhost server. So, if you have Node, you can check and verify by typing in node -- version, and the terminal should tell you what version you have. If you don't have Node, then go to node.com and download it for your computer. Now let's get started developing. I use the Visual Studio Code text editor, so that's what you're going to be seeing me use. You can use whatever code text editor you like to use, but I prefer Visual Studio just because I think it's a very nice way to develop React applications. Let's get this guy open, and we'll open up our file. Now I saved it on the desktop, so let's go to the desktop and React Firebase blog. Open this guy up. Now you'll see that there are 3 folders. We're going to be working in the source folder, which has these few files in the boilerplate configuration. And just to see what's going on, let's start the server over here. We do that by typing in npm start. You can do this either in a regular terminal by going to this going to your directory where the Create React app was created, or you can just, if you're using Visual Studio Code, you can type it right into this terminal down here. Press enter, and the computer should automatically open Chrome with our project to see what's going on here. Sometimes it takes a second. Also, my computer is kind of going slow right now. But we'll see what this comes with. Boom! So you'll see, if you go back to our code, see it says edit the source.app.js file, and that's what it says here. So all the styling you can find also on the CSS file in here. Feel free to poke around. But we are actually going to just get rid of all of this stuff in the header, including the header tag. Get rid of that. Delete the logo up here, and also the logo in the directory, because we don't need that anymore. And just to show you how you type our first line of React code, we're going to do a little h1 tag in here that says welcome to my blog. Command S, save that guy, and that's what you should see on the page on the local host. Now stay tuned. Next week we are going to, or next video, we are going to actually publish some blogs, and you'll see how that works in React. Thanks for joining me. Feel free, or please, like